Wow, that's quick.
That's the front end roughed out. Right along that hood line, let it roll. There we go. Keep it square on the nose. Little curl. Perfect.
Now, just riding the chisel along that wall, let it peel, there it goes. Clean line on the rim, keep it square, little scoop in the corner, that's better, dust it out, straight as a box now.
This block will be the hood, 20 by 10 by 6, same ratio as the body back there. I want the line to sit just proud of the grain so it catches the light. Starting center front, sweep it up.
Starting to round the crown of the hood here, letting the chisel do the work, nice and slow. There it goes, beautiful curl. That's getting close to the shape. Along that edge, there we go, handle slot, nice and square, beautiful. It's the back of a truck.
These two walnut billets are going to become the doors. They match the body just right, 18 by 12 by 2.5. I set them flush, and with a blue ballpoint, I sketch in the window frame first, then the crease line and the...
All right, see how you sit. It's close, a little high on that edge. There we go. Fits like a glove now. Clean little wheel plate, all four, just like that.
Sliding the generator in right between the seats. Now the pale lead and the darker one. Good fit. Little switch right there. And on. Hear that? That's it humming. Red light means it's a...
Upper bar straight across, keep it even. Curl into the C, nice and smooth. Oval for the badge right here, center. Mirror the other headlight. There we go. That'll carve clean. Right where it needs to be. Following that line, keeping the top proud. Let the blade ride the grain. There it goes, nice clean curl, and stop it right at the rear. That'll do. There it goes. Little heartbeat.
Wow, that's quick.
We're gonna straight. And turn it in. Nice. Tires are holding. Beautiful.